morning, everyone. I hope that you are doing well. I hope that you all have started your revision. Yesterday I have sent you important word meaning, fill in the blanks. Today I have sent MCQs for the S7. Please do tick mark in your textbook and then after do the revision of that. From today onwards, we are going to start the revision of S7. The first question is answer the following question. This is Unit 1, Section 2, Doctor's Word. So let's begin the question answer. Did the doctor tell Gopal the truth? Why and why not? If you remember the lesson, you might be knowing that the doctor was very much well known for saying truth to his patients. And as you all know that Gopal, who was sick at that time, he was doctor's best friend. So whenever the time came for doctor's best friend and doctor had to give advice for his condition, whether the doctor was able to speak the truth or not. Let's see in this answer. Contrary means just opposite to his basic nature. Dr. Raman did not tell his friend Gopal the truth about his condition of his heart. You all are knowing that Gopal was having some problem in his heart. So what you have seen in this point, you seen that contrary means just opposite to his basic nature. Dr. Raman did not say the truth about his health to Gopal. This was because of the fact that the truth would destroy the slim. Slim means lattice. Very rare chance that Gopal had of survival. This was because of the fact that the truth would destroy. If Dr. Raman said the truth to Gopal, then I think one single chance was there that Gopal would survive, that would also be destroyed. And that is why I think this time particularly Dr. Raman decided not to say the truth to his family and Gopal as well. So this is the answer. Let's go for second one. What did Gopal wish to do as soon as he regained consciousness? He was unconscious during that situation. So as soon as he recovered little bit, Gopal wanted to do something. Do you know what was there? Gopal wanted to sign his will before dying. The first answer is there. Gopal wanted to sign his will before dying. Next, why did he wish to do? The question is, why did he wish to sign his will before dying? So let's see the answer. Gopal wished to do so because he wanted to settle the property issue legally before dying. As you know that Gopal's wife, children were very much innocent. They were not knowing anything about the legal formalities. So that's why Gopal wanted to sign the will so that there won't be any dispute or any issue regarding the property after his death. So that's why he wanted to sign the will. I repeat the point once again. Gopal wished to do so because he wanted to settle the property issues legally before dying. Second point is, he wanted Dr. Raman to sign the will as a witness. Whenever we are signing any will or any type of document, legal document, at least one or two witnesses are essential. So that's why Gopal could trust only on one person, that was Dr. Raman. So that's why he wanted Dr. Raman to sign the will as a witness so that even if he dies, his family would not face any problems from Subia and his gang, who could have become troublemakers for the family after his death. Subia and his gang might be wanted to snatch the property from Gopal, and that's why he wished that if Dr. Raman is there as a witness, then I think there won't be any problem for Gopal's family after his death. So that was all about this second number, A and B answer question. Third one is that, what was the doctor thinking when he sat in his car? I would say this is one of the very important question of this lesson. Why I am saying so? Whatever the judgment or final decision Dr. Raman has to take, that he took in his car. As Dr. Raman was very much well known for saying truth to the patient, and this time it was a question for his own friend. So whether he is going to speak the truth or hide the secret about his health or condition of his heart. So that's why when he went in his car, he sat back silently and thought about what to do the next. Answer: when the patient wanted to know whether he would survive or sign his will in anticipation means in advance of his death, Dr. Raman was in dilemma. Dilemma means complete confusion, whether he should speak the truth or hide his condition of heart. So that's why he went in his car and sat silently. He went and sat in his car, reflecting his future course of action, whether to blurt out the truth. Blurt out truth means share the truth with Gopal and destroy the slimmest means very rare chance of the patient's survival, or hide the truth, okay, and be the responsible for the mess to be created by Gopal's unsigned will. Unsigned will means if Gopal dies before signing the will, I think there would be a great issue of the property after his death, and Dr. Raman did not want to become the cause of that mess, and that's why he is saying that whether to speak truth or hide. Now he was in dilemma. What he did next, let's see afterwards. Okay. Question number 4. Today, standing over a bed, the doctor felt that he himself needed someone to tell him soothing lies. Soothing lies means something that gave you relaxation. Why did the doctor need to hear such lies? The doctor needed someone to tell something lies because the patient happened to be his dearest friend whom he loved and did not want to lose. Sometimes it happens better. Doctors operate many patients during his life, recover, cure many patients, but whenever if somebody is there, some patients of his own family, then I think doctor has to think twice before treating any type of operation or so. So here the same situation is there in Dr. Raman's life also. He needed someone to speak some good words to him. Maybe it's lie only, but then also he wanted to listen that nothing to be worried about Gopal, and soon he will be recovered. So here is the point, try to explaining you. The doctor needed someone to tell something lies. Lies means untrue, because the patient happened to be his dearest friend whom he loved and did not want to lose. Second point, at the same time, he knew as a professional medical practitioner that only a miracle could save his friend's life. He was a doctor too, and he was knowing that Gopal has very less time in his hand. So whatever the situation is there, he has to handle very tactfully. So that's why he thought that as a friend, he should hide the secret about his health, or he should say everything. As a medical practitioner, he was knowing that his friend's life is in danger. So what he did later on, let's go for the next question. Did Gopal believe what the doctor told him? How do we know? Yes, Gopal believed what the doctor said. Gopal was having very much faith on Dr. Raman, right? So that's why whatever Dr. Raman said, what did he say to Gopal? Dr. Raman says he was going to be cured very soon. So that was the thing. which Gopal heard from Dr. Raman, and he completely believed in doctor's word. And that is only our lesson title is there. Yes, Gopal believed what the doctor said. We know this because as soon as he heard the doctor's words, a new glow suffused his face. Suffused means came over, brightened up, and he asked him in a tone of relief if it was true. Then, on being reassured, he closed his eyes. First, when we listen something, sometimes we do not believe in that. So that's why we are asking it once again that is it true? And when Gopal reassured doctor's word, then after he closed his eyes and took rest. Next question is 6 number. Why do you think Gopal did not question what Raman said? When we do not question to somebody, can you answer me please? Yes, we do not question when we have complete faith on the person in front of you. So here Gopal was having complete faith on Raman, and that is why he didn't question at all. Then also let's see the answer. He didn't question what Raman said because he was his dearest friend. They had known each other for the last 40 years, such a long period of time, since kindergarten. From nursery class they were knowing each other, and they were dearest best friend of each other. Theirs was a classic friendship, untouched by changing times, activities and circumstances. Right? Their friendship were unique. How I can say? Because as the time passed by, many relations completely wiped out. But Raman and Gopal's friendship was untouched by the span of time, and that is why till today they were close to each other. That much faith, that much trust they were having on each other. That is why Gopal did not question what Raman said. Next is, did the doctor himself believe what he told Gopal about his recovery? Which sentence in the story tells you this? The doctor assured Gopal of his survival. Dr. Raman said to Gopal that he was going to be survived. But whether he was having trust on that sentence? However, Dr. Raman himself did not believe this, and this fact is evident from his instruction to his assistant. You might be remember that he instructed his assistant to observe Gopal completely throughout the night time and be present with him only. So that sentence might be telling you that doctor was having little bit doubt on the survival of Gopal. This fact is evident from his instruction to his assistant. You might accept the collapse any second now. Expect means expecting to occur in the future or in a short period of time, and collapse means situation just skip from the hand. Collapse any second now. So this was all about question answer. I also continue with the reference to context of this lesson so that you can revise very well. Let's go for reference to context. Very easy question answer are there. First line is there. I would rather not talk to you now. Who said this to whom? Do you remember? The doctor, or you can say Dr. Raman said this to Gopal's wife. I repeat, the doctor said this to Gopal's wife. If you write Dr. Raman, then also it is true. When did the speaker say this? When she beckoned to him from the kitchen doorway to know the truth about the husband's health. When he pointed out means called him from backside from the kitchen to know about the truth of his husband's situation. That time Dr. Raman said to this sentence to his wife, Gopal's wife. Next, what did the words imply? Effect of the words. The words implied that he did not want to tell her the truth and was evading the issue. Evading means just wiping out or just want to stay away from the truth, from the issue. I repeat the answer once again. Imply means what was the hidden secret inside that words? The words implied that he did not want to tell her the truth and was evading the truth. What happens next? When he went back to his chair and sat down next to the patient, he then heard a terrible wailing. Wailing means crying, continuous crying. I repeat. Next, he went back to his chair and sat down next to the patient or near to Gopal. He then heard a terrible wailing. Wailing means long cry. Thank you very much. So today we complete this first lesson. Tomorrow we are going to start the second one. Thank you very much.